Number 243. A man who owns a piece of land worth 0.6 million. He is taxed on 3/4 of its value at the rate of 7 pesos per 1,000 pesos. How much is he paying for the tax of his property? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 3,150 pesos, 11,000 pesos, 5,350 pesos, 10,000 pesos, and 9,000 pesos. Okay, so let's analyze the problem. A man who owns a piece of land worth 0.6 million. Okay, so 0.6 million, that is equal to 0.6 million, that is equal to 600,000 pesos. Okay? So he is taxed on 3/4. 3/4 of its value. So that means we will multiply 600,000 pesos by 3/4. Okay? So let's multiply by 3/4. So we can divide first by 4 and then multiply by 3, or that's the same with multiplying by 3 and then dividing by 4. So let's do first the division so that the number will become lesser. Okay? So 60, if we divide 60 by 4, that is equal to 15. 60 divided by 4 is 15. So therefore, if we divide 600,000, this will be equal to 15, just copy the 40, so we have 150,000. Okay? And then multiply 150,000 by 3. 150 times 3, that's equal to 450. Okay? So 450,000 pesos. So that is the 3/4 of the 0.6 billion. And then he is taxed on 3/4. So this is the 3/4 of its value at the rate of 7 pesos per 1,000. So how many 1,000 are there in 450,000? So we just divide this by 1,000, or just cancel the 3 zeros. So to cancel the 3 zeros and then cancel the 1,000. So therefore, we have 450. There are 450 1,000 in 450,000 pesos. And then he is taxed at the rate of 7 pesos. 7 pesos per 1,000. So we just need to multiply this by 7 pesos. And that will be the amount of the tax. Okay, so let's multiply this 7 times 450. 7 times 0, that will be 0. 7 times 5, that will be 35. 7 times 4, that is 28, plus 3, that is equal to 31. So therefore, the amount of the tax, so how much is he paying for the tax of his property? So he will pay 3,150, and that is letter A. Follow me for more content like this.